What's going on YouTube? NJ Phone Buyer back at it again with another video. Last video I showed you guys how to generate leads through Facebook. Right now I'm just going to go over the price sheet, my price sheet that I'm going to list up. And I'm also going to show you how to find out pricing for a phone on eBay. So yeah, I'm going to jump right into it. This is my price sheet. There are 3 ways to sell: direct buyer, eBay, or locally. Pretty sure there's other ways, but those are the main 3 I use. Yeah, so if you are a first time supplier, please contact me before sending the invoice. This is just like any other direct buyer. So the other direct buyers out there are doing the same thing as me. I just want to let you guys know I pretty much pay the same prices as the other direct buyers. So it's all personal preference. I would recommend that you guys build a relationship with a direct buyer. I work with the #1 direct buyer in the United States. We built a relationship, and it's just better that way. Like trying to ship to different direct buyers is just going to be problematic, and you don't know where. It's just I'd rather just stick to one direct buyer and work with them. If you want to go on eBay to get a specific product sold, or if you want to use Swappa or all these other sites to sell, just use one direct buyer, build a relationship, and I'm telling you, it's going to pay off in the long run. Just because you're bringing them business every time, and then you guys build a relationship and opens up more opportunities in the future for other things. Yeah. So all packages must ship to our warehouse, which is B Mobile LLC. That's our business name, 408 Main Street, Boonton, New Jersey, 07005. Yeah, so that's where all the packages will go. Packages must land by Thursday, or you're going to be susceptible to Monday prices. So basically what that means is if you ship on Friday, you're going to get hit with Monday prices. Payments. So PayPal before inspection. That's basically where you send us an invoice through PayPal and we get you paid for your devices. That's you get paid before you ship it to us. But you get hit with a 2.9% fee. So depending on the amount that you send to us, you're going to get hit with 2.9% on that amount. I personally don't use PayPal before inspection just because I deal with bigger invoices, 30,000, 40,000. So I'm not going to get hit with a 2.9% fee on like a $30,000 invoice or a $40,000 invoice. Just doesn't make any sense. If you're short on cash, I would recommend PayPal before inspection. Just because you'll have the money on hand and you can go back out and try to get more phones while while the phone's getting sent. Another payment method is payment after inspection. That's basically where you get paid the next day by ACH or bank wire. But if it's a bank wire, you got to let us know. You're going to get hit with a $30 wire fee for us to send the money. Basically, payment after inspection is when you send us the shipment, and we pay you after we inspect the phones. So there's a way around it so that way you get paid immediately. So payment after inspection. So let's just say you got a bunch of devices and on Monday, and you need your money really quick. So what you can do is expedite the shipping. Do 2-day shipping. I personally use FedEx. I just want to let you guys know the FedEx is probably the best shipping services that you could use. I've never lost a package with them. I wouldn't recommend UPS or all the other shipping services. I recommend FedEx. I never lost a shipment from them. Also, all the other people that I know use FedEx, so I would recommend you guys using FedEx. We also do in-person payments if you're located in New Jersey. So if you're in New Jersey and have phones that you want to sell, hit us up. We'll be happy to meet up with you, or you can come into our office. Please make sure all phones comply with grading criteria to avoid returns. I'm going to go over that in a little bit, but if you ever have any questions regarding this price sheet or another price sheet, just hit me up. I'll be more than happy to help you guys. Alright, grading criteria. So new must be brand new and original box, can be open but cannot be missing plastic. Warranty must be close to 1 full year. I don't really think I have to go into details about that. That's pretty self-explanatory. A grade, used phone, immaculate condition, no micro scratches. A grade is basically brand new phone, no scratches. Can be used, but just no. It looks like a new phone. No scratches, no micro scratches, nothing. Looks flawless. B grade, used phone, small dinks and dents, small wear and tear. So basically, B grade has little light scratches on it. No cracks though. Can't have any cracks. You can see it on the sides. Later on, I'll do a video of like each phone: A grade, B grade, C grade, and D grade, and DOA. C grade is cracked glass or deep scratches. So C grade is a cracked screen, cracked front glass. Deep scratches, 9 times out of 10, I've never really came across a phone that had a really deep scratch that I always just classified a deep scratch as like B grade, and you're 9 times out of 10 you'll be able to get away with it as long as it's not a crack. D grade, damaged LCD, dot lines, black ink, shadows, or aftermarket screen replacement. So D grade is basically a phone that has black dots, black ink, shadows, or even if you see rainbow colors, you can't see anything on the screen. That's D grade. The LCD is damaged. Once you see like a black dot or the rainbow colors, that's the LCD is bad. You know the LCD is bad. D grade is also aftermarket screen replacement. So basically, what that means is when you get when you replace your phone, you take it to a repair shop. They're gonna replace it with a made from China screen or wherever. So that's no longer an Apple product. That's a Chinese phone. That's not an Apple product. It's not original OEM, original manufacturer screen. So, and that's probably why, like, when you get a screen replaced and you drop it, it cracks immediately. That's not original OEM screen. So basically what DOA is: no power, unable to restore, water damage, bent frame. That's basically the phone's messed up, doesn't turn on, water damage. It's pretty self-explanatory. Bent frame, it's all messed up. You can't use the phone. That's DOA. Basically used for. I showed you guys basic price sheet, and this is what majority of the direct buyers, we have similar price sheets. I showed you the grading for every direct buyer. Sometimes direct buyers have A and B grade together, but it's all similar grading. It's all the same thing. So if you guys need my price sheet, just reach out to me. It's probably going to be in the description below or in my bio, so that way you guys can contact me. If you guys need other direct buyers price sheet, I don't mind sharing. Just let me know. I could send it over to you guys. And yeah, thanks for checking it out. Thanks for tuning in.